Manufactured with multiple alloys for improved heat dissipation and performance. Mill balanced for proper rotor function. No extra weights are needed. Quality validated for proper metallurgy and correct brake plate thickness. Rounded radius for added strength. Some ACDelco Silver parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Advantage. Economical value with dependable quality. For General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. Top reviews from the United States. On a 2005 Ford Ranger. Are working great on my wife's 2005 Ford Ranger. It was grinding a little in the stops, and it was always very smooth. I had slotted cross-drill disc before and they had probably seen 100,000 miles, so I replaced rotated and pads, and reused the old wheel bearing. It has been stopping and going great for several months now. Seems like a great product for the price. So far the ACDelco and the Ford seems to be getting along fine. Ha ha.